Hey, to set alarm clock on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just open your all apps and find clock application. Then you have to simply open it. And as you can see on the left bottom corner, we have to select alarm. And now all we have to do is just to activate, for example, this first default preset. So click on it. And now when you tap on it one more time, you can actually customize it. So first you can pick the activity day. Let's say that I want to get this alarm only for Monday. We can give it the name. So for example, wake up. From this, we can also turn on or off the alarm sound, vibration, and the snooze. And also we can customize these options. So if you want to get different alarm sound, just click on it. You can pick something from your Bixby alarm, Spotify, or your default ringtones. There we go. Also, you can change the volume level of this alarm, and it looks the same for the vibration. For the snooze, when you open it, you can actually find from 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30, or you can set custom, like for example, snooze every 1 minute, and repeat 3 times, 5 times, or forever until you turn it off. Next, we can also get the alarm background. From this one, we can input this default one, but we can also set our favorite photo if you want. So click save. Oh, I just forgot that. From here we can also change the time. So let's say that I want to get it for 5 a.m. Then we have to click save. And as you can see, here we are. Also, we can turn on the multiple alarms. So when you want to get another one, you can just click on it right here and just create another one and click save. And you can turn them on and off just like this. If you want to delete any of the alarms, just click on these 3 dots and then tap on the edit. And now select it and select delete. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.